M.
Yeah.
Hey, can I get this like going faster? So can you just tell me what the
No, this is how you learn where the keys are. Good try there.
It's Kate's first email.
G. G is in the middle somewhere. That's it. Yes. What letter's next in English? What's the next letter?
Oh,
Okay. Alright. Now what?
if you click too fast, will it type nothing?
It'll type hundreds of L's if you click too fast. Oh, if you click too short. Yeah, no, it won't type anything. Too short. But it's very hard to click that short. Do the L. Oh, you did the L. Do the I.
I guess try.
Okay. Yep, still did it, see?
Ah, how quick.
You have to be infinitely quick. What's next?